Welcome back to Draw with Miss M channel. Look at our cute model today. So I'm gonna show you how to draw this Doraemon who is riding a broom with a lovely red and green hat on his head. As usual, all you need to prepare is some paper, a pen, a pencil, an eraser, and any kinds of colors that you have. Okay, are you ready? Pick up your pencil and draw with me. Okay, I'm gonna put this guy right here so that we know what to draw later. Let's start with his head first. What shape is his head? Yeah, you're right. It's a circle. So we're gonna draw a 2/3 circle in the middle of your paper. There you go. Then we will erase the top of his head to draw the hat. Draw the bottom from the left to the right side. Okay, and finish the rest of the hat. Some wrinkles right here. Also, don't forget a ball of wool on the top. Now go back to the bottom of his head. Draw a line for his collar. Then give him a bell on the collar. Very nice. We'll finish another line below the one we've already drawn. There you go. Do you see his collar? Okay, from the bottom of the collar, we're gonna draw his right arm. With the hand, we're gonna use a circle shape. Okay, and now it's turn for his fat belly. Start from the collar and stop at his right hand. With his left arm, we will draw it like he's busy holding up the hat. Now going to our right and draw his back and his bottom. Make it look like he's sitting on something. It is our broom. Okay, then draw a short leg of him. Use an oval for his foot. Good job. Let me fix this a little bit. Alright, it's time to draw his magic broom. We start with the long handle first. Next is the first part of the straw brush. Then we will draw a bunch of rope tying around the brush. And finally, finish the broom with lots of straw flying behind. When you finish, it will look like he's flying really fast. some random lines here to make it look like a real broom. Okay, and don't forget his tail at the back of the bottom. Now, let's draw the other leg of him. We're gonna draw it like it's leaning on the broom. Start with the foot first, and then his leg. Good job. Okay, let's go back to his face and give him a playful expression. Start with his nose, in the middle, then the right eye and the left eye. A big smiley mouth. Three whiskers on the right and three more on the left. Almost done, guys. Let's draw his pocket full of magical items in his front belly. Okay, and finally, give his hat a star pattern to make him look like a real wizard. Okay, and done. Good job. Now pick up your pen or marker and trace along our Doraemon. Remember, you don't need to rush. Great! It's time to color. As long as you color Doraemon blue and white, you actually can be creative with the hat and the broom's colors. It can be purple, yellow, orange, brown, or even pink if you like. And done! Good job, everyone! Well, thank you so much for drawing with me today. I hope you had a lot of fun. It's time to say goodbye. See you guys in my next videos. And please subscribe and hit the like button if you think my video is helpful for you. Bye!